endless challenges to be the best. BY Controls Incorporated has been one of the world's best leading hydraulic and pneumatic control companies with cutting-edge technology and excellent quality. Tireless passion of challenging for new technology, innovative spirit, and unstinted investment in research and development. Those words can describe BY Controls Incorporated as a promising global company making continuous efforts on new era. BY Controls Incorporated, established in 1978, succeeded to develop the hydraulic and pneumatic control system in 1982, which had been imported by overseas. In 1991, BY Controls Incorporated moved to Gimhae City, the current location, and granted a U.S. patent number 5135163 on wax type regulator at the next year. In 1995, main engine top bracer, which protects main engine of a vessel from vibration, was developed by collaboration with KIST. At the same year, the company also made a sales and technical collaboration with Nori Seal Controls in the USA. In 1996, BY Controls Incorporated had succeeded in localization of pneumatic diaphragm control valves. In 1998, the company had been devoting itself to domestically develop watertight sliding doors applicable to offshore and marine applications. Investing unstinted new fields came into great succeed of development of new marine equipment based on our sophisticated technologies and know-how. We had become the best marine equipment manufacturing company in Korea. In 2000, changed the company name to BY Controls Incorporated, and the next year acquired ISO 9001 certificate awarded by DNV Certification Limited. In line with the successful new technology, BY Controls Incorporated developed the VRCS valve remote control system in 2002. In 2008, BY Controls Incorporated earned $30 million and was awarded the Bronze Tower Award of Industrial Service Merit from the Korean government. BY Controls Incorporated acquired type approval and product approval of the leading classification societies such as ABS, DNV, LR, BV, GL, NK, KR, CCS, with CE Mark certification for products being qualified of the products from all over the world. BY Controls Incorporated is committed to making its continuous efforts to create new value for the benefit of humanity. BY Controls Incorporated fulfills the beyond of customers' satisfaction. This system is for opening and closing the valves installed in cargo tank and ballast tank in vessel, using hydraulic oil by push button on control panel conveniently from remote. BRC consists of butterfly valve and hydraulic actuator, hydraulic power unit, solenoid valve cabinet, control console. Some quantity of valves can be operated remotely from one unit of concentrated console. This system is applicable to cargo tank or ballast tank in usual, also for storage tank of marine plant, mudroom, ballast tank. Control valves manufactured by BY Controls Incorporated are divided into two groups, two-way types and three-way types. These types are further divided into DP, DG series, and TG, TR series, according to the structure of the trim parts. Moreover, there is DC series, which is designated to operate under low temperature range services such as LNG. EPCON, Electro-Pneumatic Controller, utilizes the latest digital technology to provide the most accurate and reliable electronic control system. It provides all the latest electronic control functions with simplicity and reliability of a pneumatic controller. EPCON can be used in a wide range of control applications, not only in vessels, but also in the plants and chemical, petrochemical power generation. Eagle RV01 pilot type pressure reducing valve is devised to control the steam and heat of Eagle RV02 direct type pressure reducing valve is devised to control the air, gas, fluid. Eagle RV03 direct type pressure reducing valve is devised to regulate the air and gas and equalize the second pressure consistently and stably. The watertight sliding door is placed in plant of vessel or drill ship for safety. Normally it is kept open for passage of crew, passenger, and carrying materials. But in case of emergency, such as fire or a burst of the outer wall of the vessel, the door is to be closed to protect the critical equipment, machine, and/or personnel from being flooded or caught in the fire. The pilot doors are used for entrance and exit for the pilots, operated by oil pressure. Each one is installed on the external wall of both port side and starboard of the ship. High deck was developed to replace the reach rod system, which is used to transmit the force needed to operate the valve in remote places mechanically. High deck system is primarily composed of two parts: the transmitter, which generates the power by pumping the hydraulic oil, and the actuator, which is fitted onto the valve body and receives the hydraulic oil from the transmitter to actuate the valve. The transmitter and actuator are connected by a pair of small tubing, which are used as a means to transfer the hydraulic oils between the two parts. As the output power of the ship engine becomes larger, the height of the engine becomes higher, accompanied by greater rocking movement of the engine body. This movement causes heavy vibration and necessitates use of engine top bracers to suppress or reduce the vibration of the main engine from being transmitted to the hull side. Product management system of BY Controls proceeding as a non-stop from manufacturing of all products to verification, which covers all over the global standard. It also shows our competitiveness in cooperating with major shipyards such as Hyundai, Daewoo, Samsung, and STX in Korea, and Mitsubishi, IHI, and NKK in Japan, and Raffles, Costco, and Hudong in China. BY also has cooperated with the leading corporations in the world as major oil refinery clients and ship owners such as BP, Total, Shell, Chevron, AP Moller, Seadrill, Transocean, ExxonMobil, Bergensen, Maersk, Oppen, OOCL, and so on. Our worldwide service network in America, Asia, and Europe shall meet all customers' needs who have an interest in BY products in any place of Earth. Leap with new technology under the principle of company. BY Controls Incorporated is always thirsty for new knowledge and is willing to challenge for it. The potential power of BY Controls Incorporated, which can create new value from the new knowledge base, will lead us to be a winner of the global market. BY Controls Incorporated. We appreciate your interest and concern.